Me and Mom are here at the Julia Pfeiffer State Park and Beach in Big Sur, California. We stole away again. So we're about to see the ocean that goes right into the waterfall that goes into the ocean here at Julia Pfeiffer State Beach. So we'll do some more video in a minute. So now we're going down the tunnel to go see the ocean at the end. Isn't this cool? It's like there is a light at the end of the tunnel, people. There is. You gotta believe it. And sometimes you gotta create it even when you think that you can't get there. So we're gonna go and I'm gonna do this live with you. This is us over the Waterfall Trail. So there's the trail. The waterfall is gonna be down there. And then there's these beautiful steps that you can also take down this way. So I'm gonna come back in a second once we get closer and see the